Hello peeps, welcome to Bobajoe Trick Questions. Well, in this challenge we will have going against is Allan against another YouTuber, this female, live with Kemoyaaa. I gotta tell you, it will not be an easy competition. They haven't know about anything, they haven't arrived as yet for the video. So guys, I got to tell you, this is going to be a very entertaining challenge, you understand? I don't think this is really a challenge, this is like a competition, you understand? So guys, if you want me to make more contents like these or this, guys, you just have to like up it, get us to 1,000 views and things, cause you know. So in this challenge I will be asking 3 questions, and each time that person get the answer incorrect, that person will drink. Yes, none of you guys know what they will drink, they don't know what they will drink, but when it comes on to the challenge, you will know. But the winner, the person with the most points, I'm gonna give them Domino's pizza. You get what I'm saying? I'm gonna give them pizza. You understand? A pizza coupon, so them can go Domino's, call it them pizza. So the winner will get that. But if the person doesn't win, sorry for you. So you don't know, we gotta get right to the challenge. They don't know anything about this, so we'll be doing some interview with them and ask them if they think they will be the winner of Bobajoe TV Trick Questions. So let's get right into the video. Please like, share, subscribe and leave a comment. Yes, my name is DJ Bobajoe and I'm your host.
Kemoyaaa.
Alright, what's your YouTube channel name again?
Kemoyaaa.
Just Kemoyaaa.
Yeah.
Yo, shout out your YouTube channel.
Yo, go and subscribe to Allan TV. You don't know things yet, you know.
Say, you don't know no trick question go or nothing.
Yeah man, me know a trick question go man.
So if you say you can't win?
Yeah, oh you mean winning is a must. Winning is a must.
Tell the people that say support for your team, you know, comment Ice Nation.
Yeah, I'm Ice Nation, you know if you comment.
Alright, you name the Panic Scheme, whatever. So you have a feeling say you're winning competition?
I don't know what kind of a challenge it, so I don't know what kind of.
You don't know him say him have to win Kemoyaaa. You say you can't win either.
I don't know the question I'm set up, so.
You don't know nothing set up,
that
so you can't set up. So you not look forward for win.
Of course I look forward for win, but don't know things.
It's not really a challenge, it's kind of a competition, you see me?
I don't know what kind of competition they put me in.
It's kind of competition. What you feel say if you don't win, you know, like, would I get? Money?
Yeah.
The second person say that. People, they leave it in the comment section if them win what they should get. Yeah, I get what I'm saying. You see me? And the first competition is we give the first challenge we give a person win a prize or something. What is it?
Make sure money you know come.
So let's get it. If you say the winner will get it when they win.
I'm not too know, because you don't tell me nothing, bro.
You're not supposed to know anything.
So you can't ask me that.
Just give you a clue now, brother.
So money
I look for.
You don't know things yet.
So suppose if you lose, I get a shit bucket.
Shit bucket.
Suppose if you lose, I get a shit bucket.
Which shit bucket that about?
You lose, I get a shit bucket. For bring God in here.
Yeah, man, me not lose, man.
Yeah, winner.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
You know the rules, and so do I. Say goodbye.
Alright, hear me out, some people. So, alright, as you know, I'm the host of this competition. You don't know, on Bobajoe TV. You get what I'm saying? Subscribe to the people them channel. Subscribe to the competitors channel. You see me I say? So we have Allan going against Kemoyaaa. You get what I'm saying? Allan, Diva, listen to the rules them. But if you know hear the rules them, feel bad because I'm out of the competition. You see me I say? So the first rule, no expletives. You get what I say? Because I think I feel clean. You see me I say? Second rule is you can't Google nothing. none of the question them should not Google or get any information for none of the audiences because we have some audience in the crowd. You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying, people? So, people, may I tell you, say, a competition is not going to be easy. The second thing is, if a person get the answer incorrect, that person will be, you want to mash up the toe. So the person will get the answer incorrect. That person will have to drink the original Grace Kennedy or Grace whatever pepper. Raw pepper, backup pepper. Get what I say? Alright, so each question the person get correct. Each question the person get correct, the person will be rewarded a point. You get what I'm saying? The person will get a point. If the person get it incorrect, the person will drink the pepper. So each person have a cup. You get what I'm saying? Kemoyaaa fret already because Kemoyaaa don't even know if she'll get it right or whatever. So as I'm saying, each question the person get correct, the person will get a point, and if the question incorrect, you drink the backup pepper. If they reject to drink the backup pepper, them have to get out of the competition. They might get one or whatever. So the audience them, I'll be the judge. You get what I'm saying? If the person win the competition have the most points, if the person win the competition, that person which have the most points will, win courtesy of V.I.D.E.O. You get what I'm saying? The person Allan don't even know because they're in the building. The person that win the competition will get a 10% coupon courtesy of V.I.D.E.O. shake on when the person will get 10% discount off Domino's pizza. Is that what I say? That is what we are giving away today. So it's not cash. It's not pizza. It's Domino's pizza.
Some more money.
So that is courtesy of V.I.D.E.O. I don't know because I know how food thing go. So know what thing go. If you want more competition, you can donate to the PayPal and thing. If you want to send me some cash, link you up. You see what I say? And we have some more competition like this. So let's get into the video the right way. You see me? Welcome back to the competitions, peeps. So Allan, you cannot use your phone in the competition for Google.
Google.
Yes, it will be out of the competition. As well.
Don't you think so already?
So watch out the phone, even a malfunction to your phone, you don't. So the person with the most points will win the competition. The Allan, Kemoyaaa, so one cup there. So you have to get the cup there. Is that what I'm saying? I'm looking forward. Isn't me? We see a winner. So first part of the competition we are starting easy, very easy. So I don't think anybody will be drinking the pepper. If the pepper finish, we get another bottle of pepper. Until competition done. So let's start right here. Very easy. So this competition goes to Allan.
What?
Goes to Allan. What side of a cat has the most fur?
Bumbleclad. Sorry.
Right side.
Right side. So let's see. Kemoyaaa. What side of a cat has the most fur?
The top part.
So Allan answer is the right side and Kemoyaaa answer is the top. So let's see the answer. The outside.
What?
So both of them have to drink the pepper so far.
Where are we offended? Question them from?
So
My friend say top.
You don't get it right.
No,
You don't get it right.
but you gotta wait for top.
You don't get it
You
right.
already say left side. But that
brother, You never see inside upon a cat have ear. Which part inside on a cat have ear? What's on the back of pepper and even out the people, see that? Grace. Get them as I said it. Me said it will start easy until it get harder. You know what I'm saying? That's why the competition will be lengthy. Probably 2 videos or 3. You get
No, if we're going to do one part 2 and next time. It's a part 1.
Alright, so who first I drink? Allan, you first. The question out. So what the question?
So no farmer water?
No. Hold the cup in the camera, G. Make the people them say, hold up the cup. Right this.
So this is a come out and go. Oh, this is a come out and go.
Come, give me my own drink it first. Come.
Drink now, brother.
This can't
Yeah.
come out.
Oh, this is a
Give me my
come
own drink it first. I'm afraid of pepper.
Drink me and cup, man.
Alright, done. Pussy. Sorry.
Let me see, Ann. Let me see cup. Let me see cup. In the camera.
I should not do this.
That not empty yet, you know, bro.
Come
Come on, man. You're cheat the game there. Come on, brother. Cup still empty yet, you know.
Next time, you can't give me a cup, man. You can't come out and
So you want to get it?
Now me on next time.
Alright. You bridge the question then. Alright, next question.
Should I do behind this? So suppose it on my channel.
So the next question goes like this. Goes to pretty girl Kemoyaaa. So the question is, I am the only organ in the human body that gave itself its own name. What am I? Alright, Allan.
No, man, yeah, you can think about that. I think about that, man.
The audience cannot give the person the
You know
answer.
the body?
I'm gonna repeat back it.
Just give me pepper for her.
I am the only organ in the human body that gave itself its only name. What am I?
Only name?
Yeah.
I don't know that.
Just give me pepper for her.
I don't know that one. I don't know that one.
What a TJ?
So you
Give me
up?
for me pepper.
You give up?
Yeah.
You give up to
Give me
Allan?
for me pepper. Give me for me.
Alright, question.
So the answer is the brain.
What?
You know something about that too? What you think of myself?
Come out here, man.
Wow, you guys need to think the answers.
Where you say a while ago? Where you say? Repeat what you say a while ago.
So, I am the only organ in the human body that gave itself its own name. What am I?
Why you not good uncle bigger boy?
Start with Kemoyaaa.
Alright, don't know no Jesus.
Me not even say I want-
See there. Alright.
Come on,
Me
man.
a church out for me and you.
Get the paper.
Oh,
I'm not afraid of pepper.
If these questions are the easiest one, because today when we reach the second part. Come on, nice. What up there,
The
brother?
question here, boss brain. Kim would have run over on the pandong and do one bag of sit. Kim would have
I know me I get
that.
enough is with my out.
He burned ladies, so
Oh, make sure you have to put my phone with our 5,000 credit. For them pepper, yeah. I'm going to put
alright, so the next one goes for Allan King TV. Tear one off and stretch. Oh no, wrong. Tear one off and scratch my head. What was once red, it's black instead. What am I?
Repeat what I said there.
Tear one off and scratch my head. What was red is black instead. What am I?
Ear.
Cap.
Ear.
Allan King say cap. You said ear. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean
Where
right?
the
Then
tear
you
one
hear she
off
say.
and scratch my head.
And that you say in a year, you come out about right.
Where not tear one off and scratch your head. And then you say something about black.
What was red is black instead. What am I?
What was red? Black instead. What was red and black instead? You're tricky, yeah.
That's why the competition is called Tricky Questions. Alright, the time is going up. Allan said cap.
That me say.
Yeah.
Let me give up.
Alright, so a match.
Match.
Yeah. It's a matches.
Oh. When the light, the black. And the
Remember,
strike.
head
The red.
Them question you have to think outside
Red.
the box. Me not feel me a go win the money. I bet you just got me here. No, you have to find one so different question give me. You know the tricky question here.
Master, not one point, none of them gone enough people. Yo, you can't move on.
Not the camera, me that show.
What kind of question they may give people?
Not your one answer, none of them. Judge.
Bird have a tough one.
No.
And these are the easiest one, yo.
No, because you all look funny. Make we ask you one question and you answer it.
No, you can't ask me a question.
The game can lose.
No, but if we for asking one question, you can't answer it.
Or if you answer, you don't know what.
Exactly.
I told you, me tell you, you know, say the video is similar like Kurtmatic and S.H.A.R.E video.
Them
We
do
did
video?
already.
When? Long time?
Yeah, couple months ago. Go like Allan Ice King. Fake.
Actually, you know the pepper we cut your chicken. You don't know that.
Suppose me tell you say I original country pepper video you make me eat. And after
Anybody knows that this about
Right now, for me, pepper no done drain out and me watch how me drain out if you can.
after we decrease it.
You have to give one water with make sure.
After we decrease it
Yeah,
and say you back up pepper not act like the original country pepper.
My feeling is I'm planning plan for you.
Me think so too.
Plan for you.
Me tell you say that me no know the question them. Alright. This one easy, much easy. Goes to pretty girl Kemoyaaa. What has a tongue but does not eat or speak?
What other tongue what does not eat or speak? What other tongue when I eat or speak? Brain talk to me. Shoes. Shoes tongue.
That me say shoes tongue.
I little.
How much shoes tongue? When I ask Christ.
Shoes.
Much shoes tongue.
Kemoyaaa, get it right.
Alright, that means you have to
Sure.
a different one.
Yeah, I get a different one. Kemoyaaa got it right, guys. Allan nice. Kemoyaaa got our first point, and we are in which? How long the video is right now? That we can't see how long. Alright, so this one goes to Allan. You buy me to eat. Wrong. That sounds straight.
So I make a me say now one.
One of us sounds straight.
You
Alright,
buy
you
me
read
to
it.
tongue.
Read it to yourself. You read it to yourself. God, I want to sound straight.
You buy me to eat, but no, you can't do that. No, you can't.
You're supposed to get banned, you know.
No, me feel like you click on it to read it.
You get banned, you know.
No, me.
Alright, let's skip a question now.
Yes, but nobody want you that question. You buy me to eat, but
You're supposed to get banned out of the competition for see answer. And just
But
to
me
make
not
it-
see
me not
answer.
no, in there seat.
Me not see, me not see it.
In there seat. Allan person.
I don't see this.
No, in terms of reading something, Allan.
You try to cheat again to get a point. Alright, I want to go to Allan.
That's why you got for that one.
I want to go to Allan again. Man, that's why you're losing a boy. You cheat the game.
Alright, go on.
Alright, how many people are dead in a standard graveyard? This is easy, brother. This easy. If you don't get this right, go on a bit.
One.
Kemoyaaa like to try?
No, I don't want to try, so I'm not drink no pepper. So I get it wrong. He asked me if I want to try, I said no, if you may ask me that different.
Alright, pretty girl, Kemoyaaa.
Foolish that man.
And since the cheating game,
Drink 2 times
Brother.
pepper.
you ever see one alive person in a graveyard?
But you not me not about like person.
Yeah, you never
We
see
ask
that
him
thing.
say
The
Why
question
not?
goes,
Yes,
how
sir.
many
How many
people are dead in a standard graveyard?
You not me not about no life body.
Why you say one, somebody? All of them dead, brother.
So, I can know how much you want. How I can know how much somebody in a graveyard?
Come here, man.
No, man, you can't.
You cheat the game. Come.
No, wait. Listen, what you tell me. How I can know how much somebody did in a graveyard?
Brother, all of them dead.
The video the best.
You all of them dead, brother.
The video.
Come. You have to drink.
Drink it. But you say.
Alright, we got about 20 minutes. Yo, you have to get more. You cheat the game.
You cheat the first one. No, you have to get more.
Come on.
And then after.
No, it one them full up now.
And I want to easy to you know.
No, sir. I'm there dead.
Let me see, Ann.
Guys, remember to go on page and subscribe now.
Alright, pretty girl Kemoyaaa, this goes to you. What has a neck but no head?
What have a neck?
But no head.
But no head. What have a neck but no head?
Me not want to no clue or no.
Yep, give one clue. I'm just saying
Yes,
give
sir.
a clue.
You want me to give you a clue?
Yeah.
You can use it to store liquid. That's the easiest clue you can give.
Liquor buckle. Liquor buckle.
You like to try, Allan?
You wrong.
No, sir.
You wrong.
Correct. Me give you a clue if you want a clue. Alright, I want to go to
I didn't get a clue, I didn't even catch it.
Allan. You don't get the answer correct. Yeah, get the answer correct all if you answer, you know. So I'm back. Alright, so what gets this one very much easy because this one they're not S.H.A.R.E and Kermatic video. What gets bigger the more you take away from it? This one very, very easy, brother.
Clue.
Give me a clue.
Cool. Alright. What would I say? You can dry it, you can dig it.
Wall.
Correct.
Sure. That's too easy. That's a easy clue.
No, man. Go on.
Alright, this one goes to pretty girl Kemoyaaa. I think me figure no more clue, you know.
Go some.
Alright, this one very, very hard. So a Jewish man living in no background noise. Alright, again, a Jewish man living in the United States cannot be buried on church grounds even if he converts to Christianity. Why not?
Clue.
I bet you can't find a clue for you.
We can't say because there's like one clue.
Just say something.
You can't find a clue.
If you get a clue, you get the answer.
No, one clue, one negative clue.
Alright, what that's it. Listen, back your question. A Jewish man living in the United States cannot be buried on church grounds even if he converts to Christianity.
A Jewish man can't change to Christianity. He want Jews, right?
Allan, you like to try?
No, sir.
Right? I'm near.
Far.
Drink your pepper.
Wait.
No, drink your pepper. Your answer already.
So, he can't change to Christianity. I'm one Jewish man.
No, the answer is he might not even dead. So if you get buried. So you can't bury the living.
Sure, appear. Because I don't want to put nobody on dinner.
You can't bury the living.
Alright, Jesus Christ, kill me. By the time I go
But you can't bury the living first. You see that? Guys, them are ball already and the competition even reach nowhere. Alright, the one that goes to Allan King TV. So the question goes, what can you hold in your left hand but can never hold in your right hand?
Your hand. Wait, what
Think
hand?
wise, nigga.
What hand? Wait, so we can't hold.
Your answer already, you know.
Alright, that means you're wrong already.
Pity.
Where your answer? Where your first answer?
Now your
Go
hand.
for them.
Your hand. Which hand?
You can't.
Wait, say.
Which hand you can hold?
Wait, ask me a while ago.
What can you hold in your left hand but cannot hold in your right hand?
Your left hand.
Incorrect. You almost get it correct, you know.
You're right
You
hand.
almost.
You're right hand. You're right
That's
hand.
class.
Would I give Kemoyaaa points?
True.
Because your right hand you can't
Only your left hand. I can't hold it.
but we have bridge your ice king, so now we can drink the paper and challenge it. Now this because you go close.
But I go close to my answer just a while ago.
No, because
You go far, you go far.
you go far.
You're far, that's
If
it.
you at
But
least say,
not because I want tricky question, but one Jewish man can't.
alright, this one goes to Kemoyaaa.
Kemoyaaa.
I don't know
In
why this thing always ask Kemoyaaa about living and dead thing there. But this one goes, I am not alive but I can grow. I do not have lungs but I need air to survive. What am I?
Repeat that.
That one easy as well. That one easy.
Repeat.
We can give you a clue for this. I am not alive but I can grow. I do not have lungs but I need
Tree.
air to... Incorrect.
Bomba.
Alan, you like to try?
Go on again. What you say? You asked me a while ago, say.
This one I use in I am not alive. You use it. The clue is you use it every day. Every day I use it.
Alright.
I am not alive but I can grow. I do not have lungs but I need air to survive. What am I?
Art.
You can answer again. This easy. I use it every day.
Nose.
I know it's.
People, me have to go put our meme right here, so because we don't know, human have nose, we have lungs, and we need air to survive. This thing does not have lungs, but it need oxygen. Two on the ranks too, so 200
So
get power.
What that?
The fire.
Look, I used to use fire every day, man.
Go in.
You know, I'm not drink no more pepper. I'm not drink no more pepper, you know.
Come, Kemoyaaa.
My lift up a bone me.
Come, Kemoyaaa.
All my pepper say.
I have the most points, you know, so
True, that's the difference.
Allan gone 1 point.
True, it's straight. Number one.
Alright, so this one goes to Allan King TV once again. Who was the president of the United States before John F. Kennedy was assassinated?
Mama try. Try me
Give me
a
a clue.
try.
Give me a clue.
I don't want me build it before to Jamaica now.
Eh?
Turn it into Jamaica. You can't tell me if you want me to turn it into Jamaica. You know?
Tell me if me right now.
No, I not tell you. But
Turn it
you
into Jamaica.
turn it into Jamaica version. Alright. 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 Listen, you know. This person represents the Queen in Jamaica. Who is this person? Full name.
Represent the Queen.
Yeah.
Who represent the Queen of Jamaica? Jamaica Queen.
That boy, I know too.
Jamaica
This
Queen.
person represents the Queen of England, Queen Elizabeth.
Oh,
He's bigger than Andrew Honest. Who is he?
Michael Manley.
Incorrect.
Better Allan is. I try me and try.
The clue is. The
Help
clue
me
is.
answer.
No, better answer.
Wait.
People comment and tell me.
Bigger than Andrew Wallace.
Yeah, me
Edward
bigger than
Seaga.
Andrew Honest. Right now, if you want to tell Andrew to do something, Andrew have to do it. Because I represent the Queen.
I'm must the queen here attack, the queen control them yourself. So I must the queen here attack. I can't nothing else but the queen. I queen.
When you never do social studies at
I
school.
queen. I the queen here.
When you never do social studies.
the
Why you say
queen.
queen all skin?
I queen.
Alright skin?
Hold on,
The
yeah.
time I run out, you know.
But you sit to him and put it in now, state it wrong, you know, state it right, man. So
No, I'm giving the answer.
give me an answer.
Eh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
man. Watch out.
So me all even figure that
You not
out.
even know.
I must
Alright,
queen.
but
I
it's
queen
the
as well.
Governor General, Sir Patrick Allen. That's the answer.
I
See
forgot
everybody
Google
do-
that. No, wait there.
You wanna use Google?
Wait there. Give me a minute. Then. I forgot
Cut
Google.
the video.
Yeah,
cut
cut
the
the
video.
video.